Today we are under a winter storm warning. We've already received about 11 inches of snow in the Denver area and surrounding areas. The weather all over the world that's been quite extraordinary made me remember a short film that I created back when I lived at home, and I just took advantage of the beauty surrounding me and just tried to use the talents the Lord gave me to capture God's glory so that I could put it in a little short film and put some music with it and turn it into a beautiful small short film that people could watch and enjoy with just music and the scenery. And that is on my original channel, what I had started out doing before publishing my book and having the Elijah and Moses YouTube channel. So this video that I'm going to show you today is that little short film, a masterpiece of God's creation, and it was wonderful being able to do this work. And in the midst of being in the cold, snowy environment, I loved cooking in my mom's kitchen, and this is one of the things we loved to make and have for holidays was a chocolate pie or an apple pie or something. My mother was a fantastic pie maker and cook, and I just wanted to share. And I'm just so glad that I captured this on film before part of this scene is now destroyed. So it no longer exists. So I hope you enjoy the beauty of it while it lasted, that God gave to us for a while. And I'm very thankful for that. So all of the photography in this short film is something that I did. This is how I started out my other channel, was doing short little films of nature and putting music together with it and showing God's glory. So all of the film footage that you are about to see in this film was taken by me and put together as a short film. And I just wanted to share it on this winter storm warning day that's going to be snowing all day today into tonight. And we already have about 11 to 12 inches of snow. So I thought how appropriate to download my film and then upload it again to YouTube on this channel so you can watch to see what I would do on this kind of day if I had a home and was at home and I was in the midst of the storm making a beautiful chocolate pie in my mother's kitchen. And we loved to cook, we loved to bake, and I can no longer do that without an oven. So I just captured the moment, I captured the day, and it's preserved forever on film with beautiful music to bring glory to God. And if you appreciate this work, will you please help me by donating and funding my work? Because this is the way that I'm trying to share my work with the world. And I have not received payment for anything I've done, and I feel like I deserve to have some payment for the work that I do. So I would appreciate it if somebody out there really would appreciate it and help fund this channel. And I thank you so much. So without further ado, I just want to say I hope you enjoy this short film. And if you look carefully in one of the scenes, you'll see not only my sweet Bunnykin and her family, but my birds. And you will see it was a coyote that showed up through the trees and stood there while the snow was falling on him. This was a very rare thing to capture on film just by chance. So I hope you can spot him. He's kind of camouflaged, and he stands there for a few moments and then he runs off. So this is some of nature that I captured that I wanted to share with you. A short film that I made when I was at home. And this is partly why I wanted to try to save my mom's home, because the beauty was so wonderful and I could do all of my photography there and all of my video clips. So I just wanted to revisit this day, and in the middle of it, making the chocolate pie in my mom's kitchen, which is what we love to do on a cold winter day. And my mother was an incredible baker. She loved making pies and she was fantastic. And she was an excellent cook. So everything I learned about cooking, I learned from her. And this is one of the things I would do in the middle of a very cold day. Enjoy the show and enjoy this short film. I just wanted to share with you the glory of God that I saw that day, that I captured on film, that can never be reproduced, and it's forever preserved here on this film. But this was one of my favorite ones with music, so this is how I started out, and this is what I wanted to share with you. Stay warm and cozy with a cup of hot tea or coffee, whichever you prefer. I hope you found some beauty and peace in the work that I did, and that you find it valuable.